Hey everyone, it's Lynn here, and I'm here to talk to you in detail about our Valencia Recycled Glass series. Now, some of you may have already had a preview if you've checked out our sustainability video, but if you haven't seen that one, that's another fun one. But today I'm just going to talk explicitly about Spanish glass. The Valencia glass obviously comes from Valencia, Spain, where all of these products are actually hand done. The artisans there sort the recycled glass by color. Therefore, each product, even the clear versions, they may or may not have a slightly different hue. So they're all going to be unique pieces, again, because that's the nature of recycled products, and that's the beauty of it, right? So you and your friend, maybe your bestie, are out shopping and you both pick up the same thing and you're like, oh, we don't want to buy the same thing, but guess what? It's not exactly the same. Why don't we start over here with our two tallest vases. Now, as you can see, this comes in two colorways. We have our clear and then green. Awesome for putting in a corner if you do like the long bamboo reeds. That looks amazing in here. You could also put rocks in here if you wanted to. Really super long stem flowers, like if you got some really great huge sunflowers, how awesome would that be? They are relatively heavy, again, because of the recycled nature. They're quite thick, really nice accent piece. And if you're thinking about holiday decorating, they would be fantastic on the ends of a really large table if you're entertaining. You could fill them with fairy lights and have an entirely different look. Right, so now let's take a look at what I like to call the chubby versions. Okay, the chubby guy comes in two colors. Obviously the clear, which again was seen in the sustainability video. And then this here is our amber, right? Beautiful gold color, very popular right now in home decor for accent color. And again, tall flowers, if you've got long grasses or reeds that you'd like to display. Another fun thing, seashells look are great in here, the fairy lights. And finally, moving on to what we call our blossom and bloom vases. Now it does say blossom and bloom right here. It is embossed on both sides, a narrow opening at the top. This particular product is available in the 5 colors that you see here. So this is, to my brain, this is pink. It's actually called purple in our catalog, so just FYI on that. The blue, again, the green that we've seen in the taller version, the amber, and then finally the clear. These products are all very reasonably priced, especially considering that they're recycled glass from Spain. Awesome for florists, great to just kind of tuck away for those single blooms or a couple flowers that maybe you picked up on a hike or a walk. Imagine this entire series on a floating shelf in a study or a living space, in a bedroom, a college dorm room perhaps. This is our Valencia Recycled Glass from Spain, available now, and we hope that you guys take this one into consideration. Awesome, we'll talk soon, bye.